case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1960, the Supreme Court of the United States heard the case of Schaffer v. United States, which centered on whether multiple defendants can be joined in the same indictment if they participated in the same criminal act. The case also revolved around whether the value of unlawfully obtained goods transported across state borders could be combined to meet the $5,000 minimum requirement. 4 defendants, Schaffer, Marco, and Karp, were accused of transporting stolen goods worth over $5,000 across state borders. After a joint trial which included 3 substantive counts of theft and a final count of conspiracy, the court dismissed the conspiracy count due to lack of evidence but continued with the substantive counts. Each defendant was found guilty and sentenced to prison. The defendants argued for a severance after the dismissal of the conspiracy count, but the court found no prejudice. They also contested the aggregation of the value of individual shipments to meet the statutory limit and some comments made by the prosecutor during his summation to the jury. The Court of Appeals affirmed the convictions, and the case was ultimately heard by the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court upheld the judgments, determining that the joinder was proper under Rule 8b, no prejudice warranted Rule 14, and the aggregation of shipment values met statutory limits. Dismissing the conspiracy count did not prejudice the substantive counts, and the allegations against the prosecutor were found to be baseless.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsc.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.